you all to this GHRCE News Desk. This is Sindhu Manikar back again with yet another episode of GHRCE News this week. Headlines for the day. Graduation Day ceremony organized at GHRC. International conference organized by ETC and ETRX department. Workshop on Python programming in astronomy, astrophysics and cosmology. Maharashtra Din celebrated under Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat campaign of AICT, Maharashtra and Odisha. Now, the news in detail. GHRCE College of Engineering, the flagship institute of Raisoni Group of institutions, organized its 9th graduation ceremony on May 6, 2023. Padma Shri Dr. Mailswamy Annadurai, Chairman, Board of Governors, National Design and Research Forum, NDRF, ex-director ISRO Satellite Center, Bangalore, was the chief guest for the ceremony. Dr. Subhash R. Chaudhary, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Rashtra Sant Tukodji Maharaj, Nagpur University, Shri Sunil G. Raisoni, Chairman, Board of Governance, GHRC, Shri Dr. Manoj Dayapani, Joint Director, RO DTE Nagpur Division, Dr. Sachin Untavali, Director, GHRC, all deans, HODs of all departments, press members were prominently present for the ceremonial function. Large number of graduates and postgraduate students along with their parents were present during the function. Dr. Sachin Untavali, Director, GHRC, welcomed the dignitaries as well as the student graduates and presented the Institute's report. Honorable Vice Chancellor of Rashtra Sant Tukodji Maharaj, Nagpur University, in his graduation address, congratulated all the students for becoming eligible to receive the respective degrees. He also congratulated the faculty members for sharing their expertise and knowledge to imbibe technical skills among students. He stressed the graduates coming out of the Engineering and Technological Institute must remember that they have to arm themselves by making the use of their engineering and technological skill to solve the problems of the contemporary world. Honorable Chief Guest Padma Shri Dr. Mailswamy Annadurai congratulated all the students who received the passing certificates. He further addressed that country needs trained manpower in all the areas. He started that research and development is of utmost necessity to develop the country's production potential and also its science and technology sector. Innovation can play instrumental role in developing the country to become a developed nation, and hence students should be research oriented. After graduation addresses, 1,140 students, UG, MTech and MBA including, were presented graduation certificates followed by awarding 17 medals to meritorious students in outstanding performance. 13 silver medals and 1 gold medal to top most rank holders amongst all UG and PG program were conferred. Gold medal for UG was backed by Mr. Vasant Kumar from Electrical Engineering. Gold medalist for PG was Ms. Rajeshwari Shinde from MTech in Communication Engineering, and for non-engineering courses, it is backed by Mr. Pranav Mandarkar from MBA. The Achiever Award was presented to Mrs. Surmil Mukherjee, and 2 consolation prizes were given to Ms. Anisha Thaikar, Civil Engineering, and Atharva Peshkar, IT, for overall best performance. Ms. Sumaya Mukherjee, Administrator, the pledge to all the student graduates. This was followed by the acceptance of students by Honorable Vice Chancellor of RTML. The program was coordinated by Dr. Dinesh Padole, Dr. P. Vadai and Dr. S. Varkadi. The next news is all about the IEEE International Conference Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering sponsored the 11th International Conference on Emerging Trends in Engineering and Technology, Signal and Information Processing, that is ISTET SIP 2023, which has been successfully held at GHRC from 28th to 29th April 2023. This college hosted international conference which was started a decade ago. Several research papers have been presented in earlier conferences held in the college. The purpose of this conference is to provide researchers and students with an opportunity for presenting their work while considering the effects of rapidly evolving technology into account. Due to its growing popularity, this conference is organized every year. The conference was organized by the Department of Electronics Engineering and Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of GHRCE. The conference was technically sponsored by the IEEE Bombay section and co-sponsored by the IEEE Nagpur subsection. IEEE is the world's largest technical professional organization for the advancement of technology for the benefit of humanity. The main objective of this conference was to bring together researchers from academic, research laboratories and industry stakeholders and provide them with a platform to present and share ideas on recent trends in the field of signal and information processing. The conference was inaugurated at the hands of the chief guest, Mr. Shailesh Abde, who is a center head and director at HCL Technologies Nagpur. Speaking on the occasion of the inauguration, he said that the organization of conferences and such events is necessary to promote technological advancements and encourage collaboration among professionals. Apart from oral presentations of technical papers, the two-day conference featured two keynote speakers. Mr. Virendra Singh Negi, Deputy General Manager, HCL Technologies, delivered the keynote address on the first day of the conference. The other day, Philbert Head Jawon, University of Southampton, Malaysia, delivered another important lecture on vision-based malware detection. General Chair of the conference, Dr. Atul Deshmukh, mentioned in his preface that the conference on such a theme amid to foster innovation, exchange knowledge, and explore potential solutions to the challenges faced by the industry. During the speech, Dr. Jaju gave detailed information about the college. On this occasion, he also said that the organization also puts on a number of such events because they are necessary to keep participants' expertise current in cutting-edge topics. The renowned autonomous GHRCE College of Engineering in Central India offers comprehensive technical education and managerial education to students from all around India as well as international students. It has been ranked among the best performing institutions by the National Institution Ranking Framework, that is NIRF, of the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. It has also been ranked prominently by the India Today MDRA survey and the Atal Ranking of Institutions on Innovation Achievement, ARIIA. And GHRCE has been ranked in the Platinum category for the best industry-linked institution by the AICTE survey since the last 6 years and has been ranked consistently among the top 10 patent fillers as per the Indian Patent Office report. GHRCE was selected as one of the youngest institutions for implementing the Technical Education Quality Improvement Program of NHRD with assistance from the World Bank. Mr. Shailesh Abde revealed the conference proceeding during the inauguration of the conference. Dr. Pramod Walke, Deputy Director of GHRCE and Principal Convener, Dr. Satish Jaju, Team R&D, and Organizing Chair, Dr. Lakshman Thackeray, Convener, Dr. Sonali Joshi, General Chair of the conference were also present on the dais. Total 250 papers were submitted to the conference from different countries, out of which 110 papers were accepted for this conference, which covers various topics in the field of artificial intelligence, signal and information processing, communication, biomedical, embedded and IoT. Participants from India and abroad presented their papers virtually and in person at the conference. The conference held under the guidance of the patrons of the conference, Mr. Sunilji Raisoni, Mrs. Shobha Raisoni, and Mr. Shreyas Raisoni, and Honorary Chair of the conference and the Director of the Institute, Dr. Sachin Abdul. The conference concluded with valedictory and feedback session by the participants. Chair of IEEE Nagpur subsection Dr. Prabhat Sharma, VNIT Nagpur, was the chief guest at the conference. Organizers thank the patrons, international national advisors, board members, office bearers of IEEE Bombay section, IEEE Nagpur subsection, reviewers, guest of honor, honorary chair, general chair, technical program committee members, session chairs and co-chairs, organizing committee, and all those who were directly and indirectly connected for the success. Moving on to the next news, the Department of Applied Science of GHRCE College of Engineering has successfully organized a 2-day workshop on Python programming in astronomy, astrophysics and cosmology from 7 and 8 April 2020. This workshop was funded by the Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics. The patrons of the workshop were Honorable Shri Sudhir Raisoni, Chairman RGI, and Mr. Shreyas Raisoni, Executive Director RGI. Professor Maxime Claude, APC Laboratory, Paris, France. Professor Andrew Benedicts, Simon Fraser, University, Canada. Dr. S.K. Moria, University of Lisbon. Sultanate of Oman, and Professor Matrin Governor, Durban University of Technology, South Africa, were external advisory committee of the workshop. Honorary chair of the workshop was Director of GHRCE, Dr. Sachin Tawali, Deputy Director, Dean IQAC, Dr. Pramod Balke, Deputy Director and Dean R&D, Dr. Santosh Jaju, and Dean First Year Department, Dr. Rupali Tete, were members of Internal Advisory Committee of the workshop. Workshop coordinators were Dr. Saibal Ray, Associate Director, Center for Cosmology, Astrophysics and Space Science, and he belongs to GLA University. Mathura and Dr. Praveen Kumar Dandan, Assistant Professors, Department of Applied Mathematics, Professor Bhagwan Katran and Professor Arjun Deshpande, Assistant Professors, Department of Applied Mathematics of GHRCE, were the organizing secretary of the workshop. The chief guest of the inaugural function was eminent personality Dr. G.P. Singh, Head and Professor, Department of Mathematics, VNIT Nagpur, and guest of honor were Dr. S.N. Hassan and Dr. Priya Hassan from Mufana Azad National Urdu University, Hyderabad. The distinguished resource persons for the workshop were Professor S.N. Hassan, Sir, Head Department of Mathematics and Dean School of Science, Maulana Azad National Urdu University, Hyderabad, who enlightened us on the topics Introduction to Python and Jupyter Notebooks, NumPy, Pandas, Kirby, ChatGPT and Python. Dr. Priya Hassan Ma'am, Assistant Professor of Physics, Maulana Azad National Urdu University, Hyderabad, empowered us on the topics Intro to Astrophy and Machine Learning and Big Data, and Darshan Venuman from Department of Physics and Astrophysics, University of Delhi, guided us on the topics regression analysis, Bayesian statistics and MCMC for the cosmology. The chief guest of the valedictory function was renowned mathematician Dr. GHRCE, ex-senior professor, Department of Mathematics, RTMNU, that is Rashi Sankuri Maharaj, Nagpur University, and guest of honor, renowned astrophysics as well as cosmologist Dr. Saibal Roy, Associate Professor, Center for Cosmology, Astrophysics and Space Sciences, GLA University, Mathura. The objective of this workshop was to provide a comprehensive theoretical and hands-on practical experience on Python to the UG and PG students, research scholars and faculty members, so that they can perform research using this tool easily and efficiently. This workshop has been developed with unique approaches to convey information more efficiently and enable the visualization and applications to the astronomical, astrophysical and cosmological research area. This workshop had received huge response with more than 100 plus registration from all regions across India. We are bound to be selected only 40 participants from 20 are from Nagpur and around another 20 from outside, such as the rest of the different parts of India. In this today's workshop, total 8 sessions were conducted, and every day there were 4 sessions followed by hands-on sessions. The speakers have dwelt upon the fundamental knowledge as well as contemporary applications of Python in the field of astronomy and its relevant areas. The course was included mainly practice sessions, and all major concepts of Python were covered during the program by the experts in the field. Python-like software tool is effective for data analysis, as nowadays data-driven research has gained much momentum due to LEGO and other observational techniques. The last news is about the Maharashtra Din celebrated under Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat campaign of AICTE, Maharashtra and Odisha. Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat program of AICTE is running at GHRCE College of Engineering, Maharashtra, with parent institution C.V. Raman Global University, formerly C.V. Raman College of Engineering, Bhubaneswar. Odisha, since the last few years, Maharashtra Foundation Day is celebrated on May 1st every year to celebrate the formation of the state of Maharashtra. Maharashtra, which is located in the western region of India, has a rich culture, heritage and vibrant history. It has been ruled by various empires, dynasties including the Maurya, Satavahanas and many. On Maharashtra Foundation Day, people celebrate the state's culture, heritage and achievements. The day is marked by various cultural events and festivals across the state. The students of GHRC and CBRGU have taken up this occasion of Maharashtra Foundation Day on 1st May to be celebrated in this way. Ms. Darshika Ramteke anchored the event, and Mr. Atul Pandey, Mr. Sachi Sote and Ms. Sampada Godane gave a speech from the same. A video showing the beauty of Maharashtra was also played to introduce everyone with Maharashtra and its natural beauty. In all, 27 students were present for the online event with 2 faculty members each from parent institute. The program was well conducted by Dr. Mankish Bhokar, EBSB Node Officer and NSS Program Officer, GHRC, under the valuable guidance of Director, GHRC, Dr. Sachin. With that note, we come to the end of this week's news desk. Until we